Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to send an email using PHPmailer class. So let's get started. I have my project folder here and the PHPmailer documentation. Okay, so first off we'll need to download the PHPmailer library. So I'm using Composer to do that. Okay, you can hold the shift to open the command prompt in the same directory. Composer is just a package manager for PHP, which helps like to install or download the required libraries for the project. We have this boilerplate here, so we'll copy this thing. Once this gets downloaded, okay, this has been downloaded. Now we'll open the project folder in our text editor. So I'm using Visual Studio Code here. We'll create a new PHP file where we'll write the code. And copy this boilerplate to our file. The path looks fine. It's in the vendor here. Vendor auto. Okay. So SMTP debug, what it actually does is it will give you the all the lists of the kind of instructions which will the PHP class is going to execute. So I'll set it to 0. Is SMTP okay? Now the host, SMTP host. Host is the name of the server you are using to send an email. So mine is cashmedia.com. I created a demo username and password for this. And the password is port number is fine. Now set from is the same email address. Sometimes if we change this set from to any other different email address, so it might be detected as suspicious or something. Now add address means to who we are going to send an email. This email, so I will be sending this to my personal email. This is the email address of that person and the name of the person, and this name is optional. We can add multiple emails if we want to send it to more than one person. We can add reply to, say for example, let me get rid of this. if the person will reply to this email. So you can so the reply will be sent to support@broadcasting.com. We can add carbon copy CC, BCC. Okay. We can add attachments. Simply add the attachment path. Make this is HTML. We are going to let me make this object first. This. Now this body is for HTML. We are using HTML equals to true. That means we can write the HTML code inside this. Here it has written the bold in bold. Okay. This is PHPmailer. We can have this in H1. We can use all these HTML tags in here. So H1 tag, and in case if the browser doesn't support the HTML, then this alternate body will be shown to the person if their browser doesn't support the HTML emails. So we cannot write the HTML tags in this. Okay, mail sent. If the email is sent successfully, this message will be displayed, and if there's any exception, any error, then this will be displayed, and the error info variable will contain the error information. What will be the error? Can make it something like this. Start equals to this. Start equals to this. Let me close the PHP tags. Okay. 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 There's a typo in the documentation. PHPmailer. And we'll display the stats. If it's sent, we'll display this message in our HTML file. Okay. Okay, I think this should be fine. We have our host name, we have username, we have password. Okay. We have so this is not going to work on localhost. So we need the live server to test this. I have my server here, so I'll upload these files to my server. Okay. Let me archive them. Extract these ones. Right now there's nothing on this URL. Okay, the upload is complete. Let's check. Test it out. Okay, the message has been sent. That means we should receive an email. Here you go. Here's the email. This email is sent from PHPmailer, and this question mark is because you might need to add this domain in your SPF records in your hosting cPanel or somewhere. And if I reply to this email, see, it goes to support at the rate of. This is the username we wrote, and this is the email. This is the reply to email. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit subscribe and like button. Thank you.